Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enroll or sign up for Wells Fargo. So if this sounds helpful, watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming upload. Firstly, head over to your browser and in the search bar type in wellsfargo.com. Soon as you do that, the official website of Wells Fargo will open, which will look something like this. Now to sign up for Wells Fargo, you can click on the enroll button, or if you already have a Wells Fargo account, you can simply enter in your username and your password, then sign on. Now to sign up for Wells Fargo, click on enroll. Now firstly, you will need to enter in your social security number, or if you don't have a social security number, you can click on this box. Now instead of your social security number, you can enter in your card number, loan number or account number. Now after you enter in your details, you can click on continue. Then after you do that, you will also need to enter your contact information and your email address, from which you will need to verify it, and then your Wells Fargo account will be created. That's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.